What's happening, folks? Back with another reaction, back with some more Thomas Dolby. We're going back to his The Flat Earth 1984 album. What's it going to be? You going to go up to that chair? You going to stay here? Bit uncertain, maybe going to stay here. But the next tune is Mulu the Rain Forest, which is a very dramatic name, and ultimately I'm not familiar with an actual rainforest with that name, though there may very well be one. Nevertheless, I expect it to be a narrative related to the particular place, or maybe a snapshot in time, meaning more descriptive and not so much about events taking place. But either way, I know his music is crazy, and ultimately I would expect whatever the lyrical setting here, that the sonics will be, as remarkable as any rainforest. So let's see what I can pick up on a first listen. This is Thomas Dolby from his Flat Earth album. Sorry, it's The Flat Earth, right? Yeah, The Flat Earth, 1984, and the track is Mulu the Rain Forest. Like an orchestra hall.
Sleeping, it's because I'm frightened of what I might find behind the curtain. There is a signal, there is a warning. I will not heed them before I hear the morning dew that trickles down my window. Mulu, the people of the rainforest believe in dream time, real time inverted. Along a fault line below the surface, there is a sequence, there is a reason for all these nightmares, for all this mayhem.
so much going on. One, sonically, it was as elaborate and dense, but also expressive as I would expect it to be. It did sound like a rainforest, but the part at the beginning with sort of an orchestral sound, talking about dreams, but also like drops falling down on a window, and if you were in a rainforest, generally speaking, you wouldn't be in a vehicle with a window. So like, I feel like there's some playing with different themes here. I'm not sure how it all stitches together, but again, sonically really incredible, especially that instrumental kind of synth bass driven section in the middle. His vocals were really interesting because there were a couple moments where it felt like he was deliberately like going, sort of larger than life, or almost like off the rails, more like animalistic, if you will. So I'm not sure like if that does indeed tie into themes, whether again playing off the idea of a rainforest, or whether that was just how he vocally expressed those parts rather of the song. But they did stand out because it was more like theatrical just in a couple of those moments, than just like a pure singing moment. But yeah, again, just crazy, and I have learned that he definitely was marching in his own lane, and the more I listen to, the more that is apparent. So yeah, another cool and crazy tune. Curious to hear what people have to say about this one, from Luca and I. Let's see if I can do the no. She like started to get up, and now she's sort of like the back of Luca is still sitting there. All right, I'll leave it up for you to decide which way you're gonna go. Oh, so you are going back to the chair. I see how it is. In any case, from a finicky and picky Luca and I, do let me know what you think of this one. I will see you next time. Peace.